What's going on, guys? Nick here at Exotic Motorsports in Oklahoma, and today we have a 1978 Lincoln Continental Mark V Diamond Jubilee Edition, fully loaded with the sunroof, the bigger engine, and the CB radio. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. This car is all original, minus one little spot right here. This was replaced at some point in its life, this little filler piece. Everything else is all original. Original paint, original wheels. You have the original top here. See the Diamond Jubilee Edition. You can see the diamond right there. 100% original interior. This thing is clean. Looking at these wheels, they look amazing. Here on this fender, like I said, all original paint, original pinstriping. We have a couple small rock chips, little one right here and a small one there. These are actually functional vents, which is super cool. Gorgeous mirror. A-pillar looks amazing. This has the sunroof. It also has the bigger motor. You can see the initials of the original owner here. A couple really small scuffs. A little one right here. A couple small scuffs right there. And a little one here. Otherwise, that looks amazing. Wheels look good. A couple dents on the chrome. Beautiful, beautiful original top. Looking at this front end, it is really, really clean. Now you're gonna have a couple rock chips. Most of them have been touched up. You can see these lights are absolutely gorgeous, and this will illuminate at night from the reflection of this light. Got a little flaw here. Got a missing trim piece right there. A touch-up spot, a couple minor cracks on that trim. We have a few very minor rock chips. And then looking at the hood, it may be hard to tell, but you do have a couple imperfections in the paint. A little bit right here. See some of those lines. I don't see any dents or dings though. And so this car has the three options: the big motor, 460 cubic inch V8, got the upgraded sunroof and the CB radio. So it is fully spec'd out. Looking at this fender, you have a few minor scuffs here. Otherwise, that looks amazing. That wheel looks good. Got one rock chip here. The rest of that looks nice. Got a small ding on the belt line, a couple tiny scuffs. Overall, this paint is gorgeous. We got a small scuff right here. And then checking out the back here, the Diamond Jubilee Edition will give you this nice leather backing. This looks perfect. Absolutely gorgeous. I do have a little warped piece there. Otherwise, it looks good. These taillights are super clean. Beautiful, beautiful deck lid here. Got the Mark V emblem. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker, and this is definitely a time capsule. Everything looks absolutely perfect. All of this looks brand new. You can see all the wood grain, all the attention to detail. Carpets look amazing. Kick plate area looks good. This seat looks absolutely perfect. Super soft. And then check out the steering wheel. All the wood grain here. All of this looks brand new. All original. And then when we look right here, we do have a little imperfection there. Looking at that kick plate, nice and clean. Carpets look amazing. These seats are absolutely perfect. I don't see any flaws on them. A couple imperfections here. Small scuff, but otherwise that console looks amazing. All the wood grain looks good. Fully leather wrapped dash. And of course the massive power sunroof. Here on the back seats, we have a really small scuff here, but the rest of this is absolutely perfect. And then looking at these seats, they look brand new. Very, very clean.